Hello everyone guys, a big welcome to this session. A student who has scored around 40 to 45 marks in GATE DA and wants to secure a seat in NIT or IIITs. For a DA student, what all options are there and what all colleges the branch is available with which name? Okay, that is what we would be discussing today. So a student who has scored around 40 to 45 marks, approximately 181 total choices are available for that student, and what all NITs and IIITs he can avail, and exactly what all colleges and the branch with which name is there. Directly we are going to see this. So let us see the list of colleges. So whenever you will be registering in the CCMT portal, you will be getting three options: institute type, then program name, and directly you can actually filter out what all institutes you require. Now for example, if I just filter out IIIT, only IIITs would be there for a DA student. So the name of the program that would be mentioned, but only in the IIITs. If I filter out NIT, only NITs would be available. If I filter out CFTIs and others, that is any state government colleges, that would also be there. So, and next is institute wise I can filter out, and the third one is that by the name of program I can filter out. Now the team has actually spent a lot of time in gathering what all programs are there and which all colleges. Let us see once. So guys, now the first name that would be there as artificial intelligence and machine learning, that is available in these three three colleges, that is IIIT Shimpur, that is in Howrah district, NIT Uttarakhand, and Pandit Dwarka Prasad Mishra IIIT Design and Manufacturing, Jabalpur, that is in Jabalpur, and the name is AI and machine learning. Then if you just see that the branch name is AI and data science, that is available in these colleges: IIIT Bihar, then IIIT Karnool, NIT Delhi, NIT Durgapur, NIT Raipur, by the name AI and data science. Then guys, by the name AI, this is available in number of colleges. Total 14 universities are there. So we'll start with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is NIT Jalandhar, IIIT Hobda, then IIIT Vadodara, IIIT, yes, Vadodara Gandhinagar campus, and yes, and that is DLU campus. This is in Gandhinagar campus. Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Then that is available in Aurangabad, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NIT Agartala, Jamshedpur, Silchar, Warangal, Imphal, Ropad. Then Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Jammu Kashmir, University of Hyderabad, that is there by the name Artificial Intelligence. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, and NIT Tiruchirappalli, it is there by the name Data Analytics. So course curriculum would change, that is for sure. Okay, but yes, we have a lot of choices available here. Then IIIT Una, we have the name Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in data science and cyber security. Then we have Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, that is in Girinagar, Pune, and the name of the program is Computer Science and Engineering and AI. Specialization is in AI. Then NIT Hamirpur, Computer Science and Engineering, AI. Then NIT Jamshedpur, Data Science and Engineering by this name. Okay, that is available. Then data science is purely available in DIT, that is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, DIIT, that is in Pune, IIIT Gandhinagar campus, then Pandit Dwarka Prasad Mishra, IIIT Jabalpur, and yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, SVNIT Surat. Then we have data engineering, that is available in NIELIT Agartala and Ropar. Then after that, MTech in AI, Artificial Intelligence, that is available in IIIT Bhopal and NIELIT as well. So you can directly go to the website and check the syllabus and curriculum if at all you want. Then Data Science and Engineering, that is there in NIT Jamshedpur. So we have a lot of colleges and programs with different names. You should know this. NIT Jalandhar, NIT Agartala, Patna, Silchar, we have Data Science and Engineering. Then IIIT Allahabad, we have MTech IT with specialization in robotics and AI. This is only the institute, IIIT Allahabad, which actually offers MTech in IT with specialization in robotics and AI. Then we have IIIT Allahabad with specialization in data engineering also. Then NIT Sikkim, where MTech in AI and machine learning is there. Sindhu Central Institute Ladakh, MTech AI for sustainability. And directly you can change also. If at all you fill it wrong, anyway you fill it wrong, you can change directly. Your choice, you can shuffle it, and yes, these all our options are available: managed fill choices, choice interchange, choice rearrange, multiple deletion, and lock choice. So these all could be done. So guys, IIIT NIT, one of the beautiful institutes where you are planning that I should not waste a year, I should start with my studies. That is one of the best options that you can avail through CCMT. Thank you so much guys.